Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. Been dirt biking now for over a decade. Absolutely love it. Go out to Glamis, hit the dunes, get some speed, go absolutely wild. But also up in the Angeles National Forest, hit the crest, Big Bear, do some pretty rad climbs. Safety first, but push the limits and go for speed. So I've got some footage from me up in the mountains. Check it out. All right. All right, seatbelts. You ready for an adventure today? Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Figure about an hour drive time.